Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the car haul series. This video, I'm starting to use my photo booth. I'm thinking it might do a little bit better job than what I was previously using. So, if y'all have any comments on my new setup here, I'd appreciate it. Let's go and get started on this. This is car haul number 12. And if you would like to purchase any of these cars, refer to this video car haul number 12 and shoot me an email, shoptago.blogspot. No, that's not right. shoptago.gmail.com. I do appreciate you watching. Let's go and get started on here. This one's in pretty rough shape here. It is a pretty cool looking car though. We have a Maisto. Let's see. Let me push all these back. Yeah, it does roll. Not great. This is going to be a candidate for the tearing apart and repainting. I'm sorry if this is going out of focus here. So anyway, I'll put that one aside right here. We have a blue. What is this? This is a Hot Wheels. Looks like an old T-Bird. Anyway, all the wheels do move. If I hold it back like this, it might be better in focus. Or if I just move all these out of the way. Let me try that. Yeah, that might be a little bit better. Let's do that. So this is a blue T-Bird. Another good one for repainting. It rolls. Not great, but it rolls. Pretty cool little car. Nice little, what did I say this was? This is Hot Wheels. I'll put this back here. Let's do it this way, yeah. I have a yellow checker cab, or it doesn't have to be checker, but it's just a cab. What do we have here on the bottom? It is a Matchbox, maybe 2005 Ford Crown Vic. I like the tires on here. This might be a donor car just to get these tires and wheels. Anyway, pretty cool. Let's put this back up here, line it up. We have a motorcycle. Not my style. It is pretty cool. It is a Hot Wheels, but I'm just not into the motorcycle Hot Wheels. I am going to keep it though. Handlebar is busted. See right here, it's got one. Doesn't have both of them. So I might put that in the donate box to somebody who could use it. Let's try this green one right here. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Whatever it is a green with a black stripe. It's a Hot Wheels. Pretty cool car. Does roll pretty good. This one right here is going to be a project car for sure. Missing all the wheels, but the body's in pretty good shape. Just needs new paint. Plastic bottom. It is a Hot Wheels 64 Impala. It's got the three tail lights on the back. I believe the 63 or the 62 had two tail lights in the back instead of the three. Not quite sure on that. Somebody might want to correct me on it. This is a good candidate for the chrome paint pen I'm going to get. What do we have here? It is a Hot Wheels. It's a fantasy car. It's in pretty rough shape. Not much I can say about this. I'm going to take the tires off and use them for a project. Might take these pipes off. Use them for something else. I don't know. We'll see how that one goes. There's another yellow car. This batch has a lot of yellow cars for some reason. Another fantasy car, Hot Wheels, 2004. It says Phantom Racer. So if anybody wants this before I tear it apart, get in touch with me pretty quick. Here's another one of these with the orange wheels. I'm not a fan of these cars with the off-color wheels. I guess I'm a traditionalist. I like the black wheels. But it is a Fast and Furious, Fast Felion, 2006. Let's go with this thing right here. This one needs a lot of work. Windshield's in pretty rough shape. It is looks like a Chevy Venture. Let's see what it says on the bottom. It is a Maestro Chevrolet Venture. Yep, sure is. I knew it because my parents had one just like this. This white car right here is one of those cheaper made cars. So this would probably be going into the donate box. Donate to somebody else. Look, the windshield's not even holding up. You can see right through there. Here's another yellow one. Almost like this one, but it's missing the top. Different wheels. So I will let these go as a set if somebody wants them. Before I tear them apart, you better speak up soon. I'm going to park them next to each other. Check this thing out. I like the engine on here. The wheels roll pretty good. What kind of car is this? This is a Hot Wheels Overboard 454. It's like a Chrysler. I'm not sure. I don't know what that is, really. Somebody help me with this one. Kind of looks like a Corvette in the front. Anyway, like I said before, I'm not an expert on identifying cars. I just like what I like. This is in pretty rough shape. It is a Hot Wheels Avis Quattro, AVUS Quattro. So anybody knows what an Avis Quattro is, let me know. Here's another Hot Wheels. Don't understand this one at all. It's got the two engines on one side and the driver compartment on the other side. It seemed like it would flip over like this when it's racing. Anyway, another concept car. Kind of, from here back, kind of looks like a Batman car. Here up front, looks like a Indy car. Put that on the side right here. Let's go for this orange Charger. I always get them mixed up. This is a good looking car here. I like this one. This is going in my keeper pile. Rolls good. Nice looking car. This one's in rough shape. So Camaro convertible. It's such a convertible, it's missing the windshield. Looks like somebody drew on it with a Sharpie magic marker. Pretty rough shape. Wonder what I can do with this. It is a Hot Wheels. What does it say on a real Camaro? Camaro concept. What's the concept about this? I don't know. We got another one here, another concept car. Some of you know what this is. Some of you don't. Some of you, like me, don't like it at all. I'm just going to skip that one. Here is a Chrysler 300C, 200C. It's a Maison. Not thrilled with the wheels on here. Let's just be done with that one. And we have a Ford Mustang, or is this a Capri? Let's see here. It doesn't say on the bottom. For several years, the Mustang and the Capris looked exactly alike, just different name on the front. I don't know who makes this. I'm not sure. But this is a good one to practice with my airbrushing. Anyway, that's the last car in haul number 12. Got any questions or concerns? Shoot me an email. shoptaco@gmail.com. This is video car haul number 12. I do appreciate watching.